Steps to make 2-minute keto chocolate chip cookies. Ingredients required: 2 eggs, slightly beaten. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 3/4 cup coconut oil. Sweetener of choice: 1/2 cup ultrafine coconut flour. 1/2 cup almond flour. 1/2 cup sugar-free chocolate chips. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Step 2. In a large bowl, combine beaten egg, melted and cooled coconut oil, coconut sugar and vanilla extract. Step 3. Add in almond flour, coconut flour and baking soda, mixing well to combine and form a dough. Fold in chocolate chips. Use hands to moisten the dough to stick together well. Step 4. Use a cookie scoop or a large tablespoon to scoop dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until cookies just begin to brown. Cool on the baking sheet for 10 minutes. Enjoy!